Welcome back to another 1-minute tutorial. Today I'm going to explain to you lists and a brief overview of how to create lists in HTML. Now we have three different types of lists. We have ordered lists, unordered lists, and definition lists. So now we are going to start with unordered lists. Let's create an heading and call it ordered lists. To create ordered lists, we are going to use the tag O, which stands for ordered, and L, which stands for lists, and press enter. And then within the lists, we can create list item, which is normally just li tag, and then we shall create the items. Item 1, item 2, and item 3. And when we go to our browser, you can see that the ordered lists come out as numbered. Now let's look at unordered lists. With unordered lists, we are going to also start with UL, which stands for unordered list, and then inside we shall create list item, and we call it item 1, item 2, and item 3. And when we go to our browser, this is how our unordered list will show. It will start by default bullets. So lastly, we have definition lists. Now, definition lists is created using DL, which stands for definition list, and then DT, which is the definition term. This is used to represent a list of terms and their corresponding definitions or descriptions. To create a definition list, we are just going to do DL, and then inside the DL, we shall create DT, which stands for definition term, and I'm gonna call it term 1. We have the DD, which stands for definition description, and then we write the description of the term 1, means etc. Now that's just an example. Let me show you a real life description. Still under the DL, I'm going to create a term 2. So for example, we shall do DT HTML, and then the DD, which is the definition description, we can write the meaning of HTML, hypertext markup language used in web development. So when you go back to our browser, you can see that this is how it will come out. Term, and then this is the definition description. And basically that's how you can work around lists in HTML. I hope this video was helpful.